United Democratic Party mentaka sengi kelab pau bakalong ke bakloi bani Ïatreilang bat ka VP kawai ni kaseng relum ke berang Schmidt thamai hapo ke jela. Habakran Sheikh kilat patai kebor mentaka sengi nak liang presiden ke parti uba medba lingdo baru general secretary ke parti u Dr. Jemino Mauto kelab pau ba kumbi Ïatreilang bat ke Hspdp hapo Shetri jong ke Regional Democratic Alliance ke jingkang ke Peliru ia ke VP bakan wan ban peniso syakani ke Kynhun.
Former president of the UDP, late Dr. Don Cooper Roy, has advocated the, he has emphasized on the unification of regional parties. So, under your leadership, what step will you take to ensure that this unification is materialized?
It is on. Talk is still on. We are trying to ensure that regionalism approach is still in place.
We together still with the RTA.
So we are still together with the RTA. We have decided, I think about a month or 2 months ago, that again we will meet as RTA and discuss all related issues which come, which really concern about indigenous people.
Will the UDP also will the UDP also approach the newly floated political party VPP to also be part of the RTA? Approach the VPP.
We have always approached all regional parties right from before, and that offer still stands.